my channel. I'm extremely sorry, I've been missing in action for a couple of weeks now and I have no excuses. I should have backup videos in place, which I didn't. But a lot happened like over a period of 2 months. I moved homes, so this is my new setup and I'm practically filming from a new house. And I did travel also. I took a holiday. I tried to make a vlog, which I couldn't, but I have kind of made a vlog which I will upload in a couple of weeks. But yeah, I'm just generally sorry. But hey, you know what? The good news is last week my channel crossed 1,000 subscribers. And this couldn't have been possible without you guys. I mean, thank you so much. And the videos are doing so well. Like one of the videos even crossed 100,000. Like I really can't believe it. So thank you for your tremendous support and love, as always. And I don't know how many times I made this promise before, but for one last time, I'm not going to miss again. I mean, I'm not going to stop making videos again. I'll try to make 2 videos per week. I've said this several times, but for one last time, I'm really going to come back like in full swing. So with the summers that have already kicked in with Gudi Padwa yesterday. Gudi Padwa, for people who don't know, is a Maharashtrian New Year's. And they say that after Gudi Padwa, usually the temperature really rises. So we are ready for summers, I guess, or maybe not. But with summers around the corner, I thought I should film something on lines of the season. So I thought I'll make a summer-friendly, sweat-proof makeup tutorial today, which can help all the office-goers, college-going girls wear makeup. I mean, they should be able to wear makeup, but not like weighed down and towards the end of the day look like a hot mess. So I'm going to try and film a tutorial which is going to be summer friendly and which you can carry it off on a day when you're just out and about, and you can still go around doing your daily chores and go about your routine without feeling too sticky or cakey at the end of the day. For today's tutorial, I'm not going to use too much makeup because summer is all about sweat, sweat and sweat. So you don't want too much makeup on your face. I'm going to keep it really minimum, as minimum as possible. In this tutorial, I have already prepped my skin. My moisturizer is already on, so that saves us a little time. And now I'm going to right away start with the makeup, for which first I'm going to use the MAC concealer palette to correct my under eye. And I'm going to mix the orange and this color right here. This I think is NC42. And this is the orange. I'm going to mix these two for my under eye bags, which looks terrible. So I'm just going to correct it ever so lightly. Make sure that you have very little product on the brush because you don't want a very cakey application. So and now for the foundation, I'm going to use the NYX foundation. This is my top favorite foundation of all times because it is so light, it's easily blendable, and it's liquid foundation, but you can see it's like literally like drops. So it's absolutely sheer, it's buildable, so you can build it from sheer to medium. I'm not sure if it can go heavy, but for sheer to medium, this is like the best foundation. And for some of you who didn't know, NYX is now available at Inorbit Mall in Malad. So you don't have to struggle with buying them online. You can actually go to the store and check out the swatches yourself. So here's the foundation. I'm going to apply a few drops. And I also have the NYX foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend it in. Just remember guys, little goes a long way. So make sure you don't like apply too much right in the beginning. And now I'm going to use a powder to fix the foundation place. Now for summers guys, remember you need to use a foundation which is little mattifying, because a very dewy foundation can make your skin look too oily over a period of time maybe. So use a mattifying foundation and don't forget to powder your face as much as possible, because that will go a long way. That makeup application is going a long way. So I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder. I'm going to take a little bit on a buffing brush and I'm going to buff it all over my face. So my face is done and I'm now going to start with my eyes. First I'm going to groom my eyebrows, for which I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil. This is in color Ebony. First, don't forget to tease your brows upwards in the direction of the growth, and then just fill in the gaps. Like, for me, I'm blessed to have good brows. I don't have very scanty brows that have too many gaps or whatever. But if you do, grooming brows is the most step in makeup, because that makes the foundation of your face. Now I'd like to contour my face first before I start doing my eyes actually. The reason why I'm doing that is because today I don't want to go too heavy on my eyes. I want to keep them really soft and subtle. So I want to do the full face glam first, whatever that I plan to do first, and then I'll come back to eyes. So for which I'm going to first contour my face. For contouring I usually use the MAC Shadester. This is the color that I usually use. It's called Shadester. It's a nice matte bronzer. And I'm going to place that color in the hollows of my cheeks. Then I'm going to go in with this color called Peaches. This is a blush by MAC. It's a beautiful peach color and it's got very little highlighter in it. Like, it's a shimmery blush. So I don't have to use a highlighter separately. That's why I'm using a blush which has already got a little bit of highlighter shimmery base in it. I'm going to place that on the apples of my cheeks. And I think that is all the glow that I need on my cheeks for summers, because too much highlighter can just weigh you down. It can just look too much. So make sure you don't have too many shimmery products on your skin during summers. I plan to do a very light winged eyeliner, for which I'm using this Miss Claire pencil. This, I promise you, is a drugstore eye pencil. It's so cheap. I don't know how cheap it is, but it's super cheap. And this is available in beauty stores. It's called Miss Claire. It's smudge proof. So I'm going to do a slight wing with it. So that's my wing liner. If you want, you can add a little bit of dash of color to this, and I'll show you how you can do that. I'm going to use a blue and go halfway through your lid with a color pencil. So halfway, like until the 2/3 of my eye, I used a blue pencil, and then the edge is black, just for that little sass, so that in case you feel that you don't have enough eye makeup, you can just balance it out with a little bit of color on your eye. And in case you want to make it look sharper, take a little bit of concealer. Take a concealer brush and just place it right below the wing, so that it gives that sharpness. And in case it's not even on both sides, this is the best way to make it even. Like, this is your best bet. Just correct it with the concealer and then you will have the perfect wing on both sides. I just gave you like a small hack. Okay? And then with your buffing brush, just buff it out. And don't forget to apply a little powder on that concealer so that it doesn't crease later on. For which I'm going to use my Ben Eye Banana powder. It's a yellow powder. It's definitely an under eye powder. Use a flat brush. Take a little bit and dust it off, so that it doesn't crease. That completes the eye look. Now if you would like, if you're the kajal girl, you can go one step ahead and apply kajal under your eye, I mean on your waterline as well. I would personally not do that because I like this look. You can either apply it on the waterline or you can bring it down slightly and connect it with your... If I were to apply it on my lower waterline, I would just do it on the outer 1/3 and stop right there instead of bringing it all the way in, because I want that classic wing liner to be the highlight of my eye makeup today. So that's what my look is going to be. That's pretty much all the eye makeup that I'm going to do. So my cheeks is done, my eyes is done, and now the only thing, so no highlighter, girl. The only thing that's balanced is my lips. I'm first going to use this lip pencil which is dying. It's very small. It's called Sword. I'm going to line my lips. That's my lips lined, and I'm going to use a super bright purple lip color today. Like, it's out of the world. This is my new favorite lip color. It's by MAC. It's called Tailor to Tease, and it's from the Retro Matte collection. And I promise you guys, this color is going to pop it out this summer. Summer is all about using bright colors, and I can't think about any other bright color better than this. So, ooh, see how pretty this color is? So this is going to be my go-to color this summer. I'm not even joking. Like, it's matte, it won't run, it's kiss proof, it won't bleed, it will stay in place, do whatever the hell you want to do with it. So this color, right cha, is my summer color. Okay, I'll stop being extra. Okay, I missed the most important part, and that is lashes. I don't know how I missed it, but anyway, we can always do it in the end. For the lashes, curl your lashes, apply a nice generous quantity of mascara, and you're good to go. So here's me curling the lashes. And for the mascara, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Love mascara. It's bomb mascara. Trust me when I say that. So that is the completed look, guys, and that brings us to the end of this tutorial. As you saw, it is so easy to achieve this this look, but it looks so glamorous and it makes you feel like you spend hours in front of a mirror, but no, it takes like literally under 15 minutes. All you need to do is achieve this perfect classic wing, add a little pop of color on the lid, and a nice bright lip color is all that you need this summer, girl. So if you have the right balance of products in terms of matte products, shimmer products, and a nice pop of color, you can just slay this summer like a anything. Okay, I'm just joking. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'll stop being extra, I'll say it nicely. Subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends so that they benefit from it as well. Follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description box below. I'm really active on Instagram. I go live, I post stories, and I do a whole lot of things there. So do follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, whatever that you feel like. And I'll see you in my next video really soon. Until then, you take care of yourselves and have a great summer. Bye, guys.